this class, let's learn the introduction to motion in a straight line because this is a common lesson for the first test of for first PUC students. Motion in a straight line is a lesson which comes under a branch of physics called mechanics. Mechanics is a branch of physics which deals with the study of objects at rest or in motion under the action of forces. When I say a body is at rest, an example for this can be a book lying on a table. If you keep a book on the table, it will remain in the same position. So you can say that the body, that is the book, is at rest. Mechanics is a branch of physics which deals with the study of a body which may be at rest or which may be in motion under the action of forces. Now, this branch of mechanics is classified into two sub-branches called statics and dynamics. Now, these are the important terms that we will be using in this lesson. Motion in a straight line is a lesson from the branch of physics called mechanics, and mechanics is classified as statics and dynamics. Now, statics is a branch of mechanics, or you can even say statics is a branch of physics which deals with the study of a body at rest. At rest, under the action of a force. Remember to use this phrase, under the action of a force. For example, again I will take the same example. A book lying on a table is a body at rest. There are two forces acting on the body. The book exerts a force, downward force on the table, and the table also exerts an equal upward force on the book. So there are forces acting, and hence the body comes to rest. Now, dynamics is the branch of mechanics which deals with the body in motion. Which deals with the body in motion under the action of a force. An example for this is a car moving on a plain road. The car is acted upon by several forces. For example, it is acted by the wind force, it is acted by the frictional force, but still it is in motion. So this type of motion is called dynamics. In dynamics, we are studying the nature of motion of a body which is moving and it is under the action of forces. Now, dynamics is further divided into two other branches. One is kinematics and kinetics. Kinematics and kinetics. Kinematics is a branch of dynamics which deals with the study of body in motion without the cause for the motion. So here we don't study what made the body to move. We are simply noticing that the body is moving. What made the body to move? Kinematics is the branch of dynamics which deals with the motion of a body without the cause of motion. Here in kinetics, we deal with the study of motion of a body and its cause. The cause for the motion is also considered in kinetics. What made the body to move? So in all together, we can say that motion in a straight line is a lesson which comes under mechanics, which is a branch of physics which deals with the study of bodies at rest and in motion under the action of forces. Mechanics is divided into statics and dynamics. Statics is the study of body at rest under the action of a force. Dynamics is the study of body which is in motion under the action of force. Dynamics is further divided into kinematics and kinetics. Kinetics is the study of motion of a body without the cause for the motion. And in kinetics, we study the motion of a body by considering the cause for motion. Mechanics is a very old time concept. We can just go back to some 25 centuries back. And the pioneers who worked in this field were Galileo, Newton, Archimedes. And when we apply the laws of Newton for the motion of a body, then this is called as Newtonian mechanics. But one thing is to be understood, Newtonian mechanics is applicable only for bodies which move slowly. For fast moving bodies, we cannot apply Newtonian mechanics. And this mechanics is also called as classical physics. The meaning of the word classical physics means old time physics. We say classical music. What do you mean by classical music? Means the music which has come from centuries. In the same way, the concept of mechanics is a branch of physics and it is a classical physics. So note about this much as introduction for motion in straight line. Words like mechanics, statics, dynamics, kinematics, kinetics, Newtonian mechanics, classical physics. These are the important keywords that you should keep in your mind in the introductory part.